CBSE Mathematics, Class 9, Frequency, Polygon, Statistics. In this session, we cover frequency polygon with histogram, frequency polygon without histogram. Find the frequency polygon of the following data given. Marks and number of students are given. Total number of students is 51. We have to mark the graph. Frequency polygon by drawing histogram. Just as before, we have to draw the histogram. Clear? Before that, we have to mark the x-axis, we have to mark the y-axis, and then we have to draw the histogram. Then take the midpoint of the bar. Name it as B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. Join it by lines. That is frequency polygon by drawing histogram. Tips to remember. Number 1. At first, draw histogram for this data. Number 2. Mark the midpoint of the top of the rectangles. Name it as B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L respectively. Tip number 3. Here the first class is 0 to 10. Class preceding 0 to 10. We extend the horizontal axis in the negative direction. Let it be minus 10. Tip number 4. B is joined to this midpoint with 0 frequency on negative direction of horizontal axis. Tip number 5. The point where the line segment meets the vertical axis is named as A, and L is the midpoint of the class exceeding the last class. Frequency polygon without drawing histograms. We need class mark. Class mark is calculated as upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Find the frequency polygon of the following data given here. Total frequency is 52. Frequency polygon of without drawing histogram. This is a frequency polygon without drawing histogram. Hope this is clear. Thank you.